Hey folks, Rob here, and I'd like to start by wishing hope everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving Day. I had some family over. It's kind of small this year. My daughter wanted to do her first uh, Thanksgiving herself with her family, so we were short her this year. My son didn't come, and so it was small, but we had a good time. Hope everybody else had a good time for Thanksgiving. Had plenty to eat. And this video right here is going to be kind of a little mosh posh. My sister came over, and my brother-in-law, and my niece and her husband, and my sister wanted to shoot a couple guns. So there's a little bit of footage here after this of my sister shooting some guns. We took out the Cricket single shot 22. She wanted to shoot the Sccy DVG, and we shot the Taurus tx22. We put the herders through the Sccy and the Taurus. Had a few little issues. The tx22, I don't think it was liking the herders too much. I started having, they seemed like they didn't want a chamber. Had a couple, my sister had one hiccup with the Sccy. I think she might have been limp wristing a little bit. And my niece's husband, my nephew, he had one failure to extract on the Sccy. But other than that, pretty good. So that little bit of footage will be after this. Shoot some of my guns. So hope you enjoy it. Just a little bit of piece together stuff. So some of my niece didn't want to be on camera. She shot some. So anyway, hope you enjoy.
I said he's just like Jake.
Hey folks, Rob here, and I'm out here. It's Thanksgiving Day out here with my sister. This is my oldest sister, Coney. Say hi to the YouTube.
Hello.
And she wants to try out my Sccy DVG1. So we're going to let her take a few shots down there at that steel target. And I guarantee you she won't hit one of them. She thinks she's a marksman, but no, she's not. And whenever you're ready, you got your earplugs in?
I will.
Miss?
I hit.
You got it.
Told ya.
Let's see, we had a lock the slide. I don't know where you shot that time.
Try something different.
Huh?
Try something different.
Well, yeah, you can. Now she's shooting the Taurus tx22. Just keep. Let's see, you had a jam. Now this is that new herder's ammunition, so we're seeing if it'll shoot it or not. That's the herders. Never shot any of this through that gun.
Hold to your right.
You aiming dead center at target?
Sure I am.
You sure you are?
Sure.
Come on. I'll send you here. I read as far as he could and then wait. Now back up as he comes to you.
You got it.
There she is.
Now just do that again.
Stand up there. Hey. Stand him up as he comes to you.
What that shit come back there for?
Huh?
What that come back there for?
That's the brass slinging out.
Come on.
You know the whole bullet don't go down the barrel.
Come on. Now, turn around. Here, watch. There's Mommy.
You're
That
doing
target
something
keeps
wrong.
moving.
Let's see. Yeah, you're doing something wrong.
I did it all right.
There you go. She's hot. Maybe she wasn't. Huh?
The high.
I think that one shoots a little, aimed toward the lower bottom. Shoots a little high. It went in. Well, we had a failure to extract. You hit it about every time once you got the hang of it.
Yeah, it holds just a little finer bead for me.
Yeah. And it shoots, it's still shooting just a little bit to one side. You want to try it again?
You're
Or you wanna
supposed to.
try the-
You're supposed to ding it. What the thing was. Do what?
You want to try the Taurus?
Yeah. That feels good though.
Yeah.
I mean, it feels just like a Glock in the hand, honestly. I mean, we'll
Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it myself. I've had a few little magazine issues. That's a new magazine they sent me, so I haven't put a lot of rounds through it yet to see how it's gonna. I got a bad magazine with it when I first bought it. They sent me a new one, no questions asked. I think the biggest issue they have with those guns are magazine related. As far as the gun being reliable, I think if you get good magazines, they're reliable. You're shooting over it.
Over it?
Yeah.
Which one do I need to shoot at? Does it matter?
Huh?
Does it matter which target I shoot at?
No.
Oh, okay.
That and you hold about dead center.
I'm gonna try to hit a small one now.
You hit the 2 inch.
You was aiming at?
You want to run another one?
No, you're good.
Now this one, you should be able to hit that 1 inch. You have to cock it.
Alright. So.
Try again.
Oh, no.
That's one of the most fun guns I got. It's slow and I usually shoot it off a rest because it's the front heavy. Here you go.
Rob, here's squirrel.
What?
We hear a squirrel up there.
Squirrel?
Blake, shoot that squirrel. I'll have squirrel gravy tomorrow.
Trying to figure out what's there.
There's squirrels all over that hillside.
Yeah. I think this one's behind us up on the ridge.
Blake, I was hitting them at 25 yards.
I'm terrible with the. You put a scope on it. I can't do nothing with it now.
The red dot, can you see the dot?
Yeah. I'm holding.
Of course, I zeroed at 25, so it might be shooting a little. think you're shooting just over it.
Want to tell them how to shoot it then? We should have brought my camera.
And I shot some of them rounds in my rifle yesterday, and they seem to shoot low left in the rifle from what.
Right under that top.
Try that 3-inch just to the right of the big one.
Okay.
Aim toward the bottom of it. I think you're shooting high. Let's see, is this too low? Is that better?
I honestly don't know where I'm hitting at.
Let me try one. I know I could hit with it the other day. It might just be this ammo. Shot under it, didn't I?
It looks like it.
Hold to the top right corner.
Now, if you've watched the video this far, I had forgotten that I had changed the red dots recently on the Cricket pistol, and I had not re-zeroed this particular red dot. We were shooting about 10 inches low, so we ended up bringing the bore sighter out, re-bore sighting it, and moving back to 25 yards and re-bore sighting it and zeroing it, and then we were hitting the 2-inch steel targets at 25 yards again. I'm constantly moving stuff around, and I forget what I've zeroed and what I haven't. So anyway, we did get it re-zeroed. We actually done very well zeroing it, because after we'd turned the cameras off, which that's the end of the footage, we were sitting at the bench kind of just finishing up talking, and a big squirrel ran out on the hill there, and I told Blake, my nephew, I said, you know, if you want a squirrel for frying, there you go. And he shot up there on the hill, about a 50-yard shot, and he nailed him a squirrel up there on the hill at 50 yards. So he'll be having squirrel tomorrow for supper. And so anyway, I appreciate you guys watching again. Happy Thanksgiving, and hope you enjoyed what little bit of footage we got. And until the next video, we'll see you guys later.